Marines at Camp Pendleton, California, are pairing up with building maintenance experts to tackle barracks repairs as part of a stand-down to address unaccompanied housing issues across the base. The effort is part of a broader initiative to improve unaccompanied housing force-wide, which has suffered from deferred maintenance and funding shortfalls for decades. Marines are fixing minor barracks repairs, including drywall and window screen replacements. West Coast Marine officials are also investing nearly $4.2 million in housing maintenance and repairs, including new air conditioning units and addressing backlog maintenance requests.